Everyone, if you want to create professional-looking videos, social media posts, memes, or presentations without starting from scratch, Kapwing templates can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to use Kapwing templates from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Kapwing website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, head to the Templates section, where you'll find a wide variety of ready-made designs for different types of content. Browse through the available templates and choose one that matches your project. You can find templates for YouTube videos, Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, presentations, memes, marketing content, and much more. When you find a template you like, click on it and select Use this template. Kapwing will open the template inside the editor so you can begin customizing it. And that's how to use Kapwing templates in 2026. With ready-made designs and easy customization tools, Kapwing makes content creation faster and more efficient for creators of all skill levels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.